In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to solve no access control allow origin header is present on the requested resource error in Google Chrome. When you try to send HTTP request to a different domain than your page is on, sometimes browser is blocking that request, because some security reasons. If two pages are in same origin, or domain, below three factors are affected on those pages. First one is, same protocol. Second one is, same port, if one is specified. Third one is, same host. If two pages are in different origins, or domains, we have to do something to avoid no access control allow origin error. So, to avoid no access control allow origin error, we have to allow the browser to cross-domain communication using additional headers. But, today I'm going to show you a simple method to avoid that error, when you are in development mode. Let's start. Go to Google and search for CORS extension. Then, click on CORS toggle. You might know that how to add an extension to Google Chrome. So, simply click on Added to Chrome button. Then, it will do some checkup and display an alert. Click on Add Extension button. If you have successfully added the extension into the Chrome, you can see a success message and the icon of the extension. Finally, go to your application and try again. As you can see, the error has not gone. It is because the extension is not activated by default. So, click on the extension icon. After that, the color of the icon will be changed to green. After activating the extension, try again. Amazing, the error has gone. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.